Here we are in a jewel of the School of Architecture with our dean and celebrating a new building. Professor Cannady has devoted more than 55 years to teaching architecture at Rice, and he's also held appointments in engineering and business. Even before Cannady Hall, he helped shape this extraordinary campus as a design architect and by advising on campus planning and parking.
Today, we proudly dedicate this remarkable new building to Will and Angela Cannady, whose generosity has profoundly enhanced Rice University and Rice architecture. Will Cannady is one of our most celebrated and beloved figures, and it's only fitting that his name graces this transformative addition to our campus.
Cannady Hall will amplify our teaching and our research. It strengthens innovation. It strengthens scholarship. And finally, it strengthens our connection to the campus, the city of Houston, and our global community.
Cannady Hall, designed by the Swiss firm Caramuco, is a remarkable addition to our campus. With its terracotta facade echoing the timeless beauty of Rice's architectural language, the design pushes every possible architectural boundary.
For 6 decades, I've had the privilege to be a part of a university and a community that I deeply cherish. Throughout the course of my education and career, I had the opportunity to study at Berkeley, Harvard, and the Bartlett School of Architecture at the University of London. All prestigious institutions, but none compared to those we have here. My involvement in this building represents my way of cheering on the university, a love for generations to come, while supporting the students who will also shape the world.